How to generate a QR code linked to a Monday.com item. So hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to generate a QR code that is linked to an item in a board on Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do in order to achieve this is you have to log into Monday.com. And once when you log in, you can see there are multiple boards here that I'm working on. And here on the left hand side, there are another boards as well. All the boards and the workspaces are present here. So what do we need to do? For example, let's open this board and we can go and click an item right here. So what I want to tell you is actually we want to associate QR codes with these items so that in order to check that item, we can just scan the QR code from our phone and all the item details and everything will be given to us on the phone. So in order to achieve that, we need to click here. And then what do we need to do? We need to click here and then come down and go to installed apps, and here you can see there's this option of display item tracking QR. So we need to do that. We need to first, or we also need to do one thing, that we need to install Ubiquot. It's actually an application available here on Monday.com. So first we have to install that, and after that we need to go here. Now let me tell you how we can install that. We can click here and then install apps and explore more apps. So here we are going to get Ubiquot, and after installing Ubiquot from here, then we'll go back to where we were. So let me just go back there. So we were here. So we're going to click this plus icon and then come down, come here to Ubiquot, and then click here, add to item. So here you go. Monday.com item. We actually, initially it was here, Ubiquot scan URL, but we need to click here on Monday.com item. So the item of this column QR code is right here. It generated a QR column right away. So here you go. It is generated here. Now each item will have a different QR code. You can see that these QR codes are different right here. So what can we do later on? We can scan it from our mobile and get all the data regarding this item. For example, who is associated with it, what's the status of it, and all the other important details. So that's how you do it exactly. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.